Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another tutorial of After Effects. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this beautiful text glow effect. So first, let me create my composition. As you can see, this is my composition and now I'm creating my text. So I just write any text like text glow effect, or let's add viral text glow effect. Let me adjust my text. Let me add my favorite font. And as you can see, this is my text. Now I'm adding a pen tool. With pen, I'm adding a line and I'm remove the fill and add stroke to around 10 or 8 or 6. So this is the perfect. So let me rename it to line. This is my line. And let me into the center. Oh no, into the side actually. Anchor point in the center. So this is my line. And now I'm going to animate this from one side to another. So adding the position keyframe and go to the 1 seconds and just move at the end of the text. As you can see now, easy ease them. This is my graph, just smooth like this. So as you can see, this is my line animated over the text. Now I'm going to add a rectangle shape to cover this whole text like that. And I'm adding a red color, no stroke. And I'm now rename it to box and underneath the line. So now I'm just open the scale of this rectangle and just adjust it to it, fix it like that. It's now perfectly cover the whole line, like it's matched the line. Okay, so now I created this. Now I'm going to parent with the line. So as you can see, I parent it, and if I play, it plays. So now I just adjust the start. So now I click the position and drag it from the start. So now it's perfect. Now this is the perfect. So it's come from left to right and cover the whole text. Now I'm just adding the gradient. And if I show you on the bar, click on the bar and go to the fill and adding the gradient, linear gradient. Click OK. Now I'm just adjusting my gradient. Open the gradient setting and edit gradient. And now I'm just adding my favorite color on the end, which not my favorite. And at the start, I just need to add, same color, but with the opacity 0. So make sure it's 0 opacity, 0 to 100. And as you can see, this is my text. Boring. But now let's add spicing. So as you can see, this is the start and the end point. And we need now the animation. So I'm just adjusting these points. You can adjust with the settings or you can adjust with these pinpoints. And now I'm adding keyframe at the start and at the end and of this gradient. So this is my gradient. I'm adjusting a little bit. And now I'm adding my keyframe. So let me first adjust the end point and start point. Yeah, that's perfect. Now I'm adding keyframe at the end. This is my keyframe. Now let's move at the beginning a little bit and adding another start and end point like that. Yeah, that's perfect. So it's covered the text. And now this, yeah. So now it's covered the text. And as you can see, it's perfect. But we need to copy the end keyframes and go and add it to the start. So as you can see, if I play, that's perfect. I need to adjust the start keyframe a little bit. And now I'm adjusting the starting keyframes. Oh my God, that's perfect, bro. Look at that. And it's perfect. It's a little bit problematic, but I fix it with adjusting my keyframe. And at the end, as you can see now, I'm easy is the middle keyframe. And after adjusting all the keyframe, yeah, that's perfect. And now I'm showing you if I play. So now we need to add some more thing, and that is duplicate the bar, rename it to the reveal text. This is actually reveal the text. And now track matte the text with this reveal box. So after track matte it, we need to choose the fill color, not the gradient. As you can see, if I choose it, it's perfect. Now it shows the text. But we need to add deep glow on this thing and on the box, adjusting the deep glow, adjusting the radius, and as you can see, it's perfect. Wow, that's amazing. So this is how you can adding this beautiful glow text effect. You can change the color in a gradient however you want. So make sure to subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.